Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know before you continue watching this video and start watching is that this video is 25 minutes long so make sure that you look at the timestamps to see which parts you want to see, and make sure you see the video previously that I made on Datapack creation, which will show you all of the pack.mcmeta and basics that you need to actually make a data pack, alright? Because you're going to need that for this video as I don't explain it all the way through on that front. And also make sure to subscribe because I have a video coming in the future more about recipes, because this is just the basics of recipes. Recipes are huge and they take up a lot of space. So make sure to watch all the way through the video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys. Hey guys, SuperSilverStone here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are recording a Minecraft Datapack video. I know, it's so amazing and cool. I know it's been a few weeks since the last one, where the last Datapack video we looked over learning how to start and make functions. So we learned how to do that last time. Go check out the video. It will be in the top right hand corner of the screen right now and linked in the description, because it's really important that you understand the first step before you can move on to the second. Now, if you just want to learn recipes and you don't want to learn functions in the video, the first video that I made, and you only want to learn recipes, that's okay, but you still have to at least watch the beginning of it, because it will teach you about a pack.mcmeta and how to actually set up your data pack. This video will not be covering that, because I have already covered it. So make sure to go check that one out, even if you're not looking at functions itself. So when getting started, we're basically going to look at this. This is our tree that we're going to be using to basically make everything work. Now, I know it looks very confusing, but this is the tree. So, we start off with our Datapack folder. This is where everything is stored in. And it goes down, and we have the pack.mcmeta and the data folder. Right? Those are the two folders that we have in our file, which, if you've seen the other video, you already know about, and we'll get to those. And now, in the data folder, there's a namespace folder and a Minecraft folder. We know about those already, and we're going to keep moving on from those. In the namespace folder, there will be a folder called recipes, and then your recipes will go in it. And in the Minecraft side, there will be a folder named recipes, and a recipe that goes in it. This is what I like to call the Datapack triangle. Just this basic set right here, or the Datapack recipe triangle. Because basically, what it is it shows how each side it goes on. Alright, it looks like a triangle, obviously, except for all these weird parts and everything. So, the chains represent the linking between the Datapack folder, and the pack.mcmeta. That shows you that these guys are on the same page. Up here, you'll see the iron bars are connected to these two blocks, which is connected to changing vanilla recipes in the Minecraft folder, and then adding new recipes in the namespace folder. So, if you ever want to add new recipes, you're going to do that in the namespace folder. As you can see by here, you're going to do that in the namespace folder. But if you want to change vanilla recipes, you're going to do all of that in the Minecraft folder. But don't take that for everything like functions. That is mostly only for the Datapack recipes triangle. So only take these two parts for the recipes. Don't try and take it for anything else, because it probably won't work. There are probably exceptions to this rule, so make sure you know that. So that's how we're going to make our Datapack. Alright, so let's jump into our folder, our Datapack folder, and let's jump into it, and let me show you how you're going to be making a Datapack recipes. One more thing you need to know is that you need to install VScode or Notepad++ or something, some type of file editor, JSON editor, that type of thing, C++, so you can actually understand what's going on with extensions, that sort of thing. So I'm going to be using VS Code. I recommend you download VS Code as well, and that is linked in the description, but if you already have it and all the extensions, you're good to go. So let's get started. Alright, so when you actually open up VS Code, you're going to want to open up your tutorial recipe datapack, or your datapack. You're going to want to open that up. You'll know how if you watch my other video. And in it, you're going to have your data folder, your Minecraft and namespace folder, and your pack.mcmeta. Right, that's what you're going to have in it. And in your pack.mcmeta, you can just go ahead and fill that out right there with your pack format, which is 6 or whatever version, and your description. Alright? And that's all you're going to need with your pack.mcmeta. And now we're going to move on to our tutorial and Minecraft folder. So you're going to click on tutorial, because that's where we're going to start, and you're going to open up a new folder. In this folder, you are going to make another folder called recipes. And then you're going to go into your Minecraft folder, and you're going to create another folder called recipes, alright? And then in this tutorial recipes folder, we're going to come back to Minecraft. Tutorial recipes folder, you're going to add your recipes. Now, I want to make one, and I am going to call it Dirt to Diamonds. Dirt to Diamonds.json, right? Dirt to Diamonds.json, and you're going to see it doesn't like what I'm doing right now. That's okay. I'm pretty sure it's Dirt to Diamonds.json. That's what you're going to do. And then in here, you're going to make your code. Now, you can go to specific sites that will have it. I will have one linked in the description, but we're not going to be using that. We're going to try, and we're going to write our own code. Because it's good that you know how to write it and learn how to write it. Because if you don't, you won't be able to do it on command. And that's really what this is all about. I haven't even fully learned it on command, as I have this little recipes thing right here, which is going to show me some of the things that I need to remember about, like, all of the different things. Because there's a lot. So don't expect to get this all first try. Alright? So that's basically how you start off. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Google tab, and then we're going to go to, here we go, crafting.the-destruct7i0n.ca. I'll have this linked in the description. This is one of those really useful sites that you can use when you haven't fully learned it yet. Alright, I'm going to show you guys this because this is very helpful to know. So, when you load into this site, you're going to see crafting, there's advancements, and bedrock.dev. We're just going to worry on crafting right now. We'll have a whole other video dedicated to all of that. So, what you're going to, first off, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to crafting, and then down here, you're going to go to Java 1.16, or whatever your version you're on, and your ingredients tab will change. Alright, here is Shapeless, which I'm going to click now. There's 2x2, and there's exactly where placed. Alright, so what we can do is we can grab dirt, right, and we can throw it in there, and then we can get a diamond, and it will actually appear down here, your JSON, and you can download your crafting recipe.json, or you can just download a whole data pack like this, and then it will actually show you everything that's here. And you can go into it all, and it will already be there. But we're not going to use that. We are going to make our own, so then you can add more to it. So what you're going to want to do is we're not actually going to download anything. We are going to just start out with crafting, smelting, blasting, campfire, cooking, smoking, stonecutter, and a smithing table. So let's start out with the crafting table. Let's start with dirt, and then a diamond. Okay? Let's change that to a diamond block. Alright? Now we have our output crafting recipe. We're going to make this shapeless, meaning it can be in any form. Any block will make it work. And we'll make it on... we won't make it 2x2, because then it can only be 2. So, what we're going to want to do is we're just going to want to do this. Boom. Control-C. Write that. And you're going to want to minimize that. And you're just going to throw your code in there. Look at that. Type, ingredients, and result. That is how you do crafting. Type, ingredients, result. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to write this. So I'm going to Control-C that. Alright. And we're going to write this out. So, we always start with open and close brackets, just like that. And in your brackets, we're going to put, quote, type, which it's already doing it for us because we have extensions, quotes, Minecraft, alright, colon, crafting, shapeless, and look at all these other things, tipped arrow, suspicious stew, book cloning, banner duplicate, fireworks star fade, map cloning, repairing an item, all of this stuff. But we are going to focus on shapeless, alright, and we're going to put a comma onto that. And down here, we're going to put quotes, ingredients, as it shows right there. And then in this, we have our ingredients. And this is what's actually going to make our result happen. So our ingredients are, we're going to open it up, and we're going to make more curly brackets. And we're going to go quotes, item, just like that. And then on the outside of our quotes, a colon, and then space, quotes Minecraft dirt, just like that. And you don't need any commas on that because we're not adding anything else after. And we're going to come down to this bracket right here, put a comma on that, and you're going to go down a line. Now we're going to do quotes result, and look at that. It literally already made it for us. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make it myself, quotes result, and on the outside a colon, just like that. And then I am going to open up brackets. No, I don't want to make it, but you're going to open up brackets and then quotes item quote colon and then quotes Minecraft and then your block. We are going to do diamond underscore block. Alright, just like that. And then down here where you see your little curly bracket right there, you're actually going to continue on. You're going to put a comma right here, go down, and then you're going to put quotes count 1. Quotes count colon 1. And that should be it. That is how you make your Dirt to Diamonds JSON file. Save all. So now all is saved. And now you have a data pack. Or not a data pack, but a recipe. Alright, and that's how you're going to make it. So, let's make a few more. So, let's make a 2x2 crafting exactly where it's placed. So, what we're going to want to do is we're going to create a new file, and we are going to name this random.json. Doesn't really matter its name very much. Alright, and what we're going to do is open our brackets, just like that, and we're going to do quotes type. Alright, just like that. And then in here we're going to put Minecraft colon crafting shaped, just like that, and then a comma. Then under here we're going to put quotes pattern because it's shaped, so it needs to have a pattern. And you're going to open up those brackets on the end. Alright, and then you're going to, in here you're going to put quotes, and then I'm going to do like hashtag S. Alright, and we're going to go down a line, quotes. Let's do underscore M. Alright, doesn't matter what letters or combination of numbers you put here, but these are going to register what you're actually doing here. Instead of that, we'll do I. Yeah, so you can see everything. We'll do A for that. Okay, so for hashtag, we'll do, let's say, like R. For this one, we'll do S. This one, we'll do like this one, maybe, and M. Yeah. So, you have letters here, just like that, and then you're going to keep going. You're going to come down here, put a comma, and you're going to keep moving. Quotes, key. So this is the key that's going to tell it, hey, what is R, what is S, what is C, and what is M. Open up that, and here you're going to put quotes. Let's do R, just like that, and then a colon, and then here you're going to open up a bracket. You're going to put quotes item, and then you're going to write out your item. Minecraft, colon, let's do chiseled, red sandstone. Yeah, let's do that. And then you're going to keep going, just like that. You're going to put a comma right there on the bracket, as you can see, just like that. You're going to keep moving on. Here, we're going to put quotes S, write that, and then you're going to put a bracket, and you're just going to copy it, basically, item. And then here, you're going to put quotes Minecraft, colon, and here we're going to do, like, stripped birch wood. Stripped birch wood. And we're going to keep going, comma, just like that. So I'm going to speed through the rest of this, and I'll be right back. Okay, quotes, C. Okay, so now that we have that done, right here we have our ending quote, and now we're going to head back to this purple one right here if you have the correct extensions. So we have key, we're going to go to the end of our key and put a comma, and we're going to keep going from here. Here we're going to put quotes result, just like that, and you can see it forms the result for us. You have put it inside curly brackets, quote item, and then quote Minecraft : stone, whatever item you want right there, right? And then in here we're also going to put a comma on the end, and we're going to do quotes count. We're going to make it give us 3 stone, all right, for when we're done. All right, there we go, just like that, and that is random, just like that. That is it, and it should be done. I think it should be. All right, let me double check it, and I'll be right back, and I'll tell you guys what mistake I made, because obviously I did something wrong. Oh, here we go. I found my mistake, guys. So you can see up here how that line is red, right? And this line right here is red. It shows that this guy, I didn't put a comma right there. You see that? That little comma made the difference between it working and not working. Because whenever you do that, you need to have a comma on the end. So make sure you put your commas if there's something coming after it. Alright? File save all, go out, and it should all go away. Beautiful. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I am going to be back next video where I actually show off blasting, smelting, campfire cooking, smoking, stone cutting, and smithing, and how to actually do it all, because they are all different. So what we're going to start off by doing is we're going to finish up there, and I'll be back for part 2 to show you guys how to actually make it all work. So let's go into Minecraft in a second. So we're going to go and we're going to put our recipe into our Datapacks folder. So I'll be right back, and I'll jump into Minecraft. Okay guys, so what I actually decided to do is that we are going to continue with making our data pack real quick. We are going to continue with Minecraft recipes right now, alright? I decided that, hey, why not? We have a few more minutes left, so let's actually make our Minecraft recipes. So let's do this really quickly, and let's get this done with. So, what we're going to want to do is we are going to want to add a file, and we are going to name this file Flint. Wait, no, let's name it like gravel.json. Actually, here, let's rename it. Let's rename it to gravel_2_flint. Let's name it that, even though that's wrong. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to open up something that looks like this, just like that. Okay. I need to close that Google tab. Just like that. And then what we're going to want to do, give me 1 second, guys. Okay, sorry guys, I had to deal with something over there behind the scenes. So you're going to want to open this up, and then you're going to want to type quotes type, just like that. And then we're going to do Minecraft, crafting shaped. Actually, I think here we do need to rename that to just gravel. Oh, shoot. No, we need to do something different here. We can't do gravel. We can't do gravel. We have to do something like arrow. There we go. We'll name it arrow, and we're actually going to make an arrow. Now, when I say we're going to make an arrow, we're going to make an arrow, but we're going to make an arrow without the actual flint part of it. So, Minecraft crafting shaped, just like that, and then we're going to put a comma right on that, and then here we're going to do quotes pattern, and then in this right here, we're going to put quotes space hashtag space comma quotes space slash space comma, and then we're going to do quotes, let's do like F space nothing, alright, and we're going to put a comma on the square bracket, just like that, and then here we're going to put quotes keys, so then we can tell what the hashtag, the slash, and the F are, and in here we're going to do quotes hashtag, just like that, and that will be equal to quotes item, and then we're going to make this item Minecraft diamond, just like that. And then here, we will put a quote, or a comma on that, quotes, slash, and a parent, and then a colon, and then here we're going to put another one of these, and quotes, item, and here, Minecraft stick, just like that, and then here, a comma, and then quotes, F, and then a colon, and then quotes, item, oh, no, we need a parenthesis, quotes, item, here, and quotes, Minecraft feather, just like that. Alright, and then here we're going to put a comma on the end of this parenthesis, and then down here we're going to put quotes, result, and then it will make our result for us with our parentheses, just like that, and then quotes, item, and then our colon, and then Minecraft, we'll make it arrow, and then underneath it we'll put quotes, count, and we'll give us 12 arrows. Just like that. But it looks red at us because we need our comma, just like that, and we are done. That, my ladies and gentlemen, is how you make it. File, save, just like that. Wait, well, let's save all. Let me make sure that we can save this. Make sure everything is saved. Good. Now, we're going to go back into Minecraft, just like this, and we're going to do slash reload. Now, let's test everything. So, no, we don't care about that. We're going to put down our crafting table, and we're going to get our dirt, throw it in, boom, turns into a block of diamond. Easy. Now we're going to get our arrow. Well, we don't need arrows. We need a stick. We need a diamond. Just so you know, I haven't tested this, so if this fails, sorry. Feather, stick, diamond, 12 arrows, just like that. And then we can also test our other one that we did. I need to actually look at what it was real quick. Let me see. Okay. So it was, let me show you all. We need a chiseled red sandstone. We need a stripped birch wood. We need a cobblestone slab. And we need stripped dark oak log. Now, if we did this right, here, 3 stone, and if you remember, that is what we had put it as. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell to turn on those notifications, and make sure... Did my game just crash? My game just crashed. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell to turn on those notifications, and go to the comments and leave a comment. Let me know how you did, and if you need any more help with it, you can join my Discord. I will have this as a Planet Minecraft, or as a Planet Minecraft file that you can go ahead and go download. This exact file that we just worked with today. You can go ahead and download that in the description down below. Make sure to join my Discord for any help that you need. And make sure to stay tuned for next video where I will go over smithing, stone cutting, campfire cooking, and smelting, all in that one video now that we have this all out of the way. So make sure to stay tuned and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you know when it comes. Sorry that it was such a long video. Hopefully it will be shorter next time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Goodbye, everyone. Well, that was simple.